Hello guys, welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Right, so I'm going to show you a simple bread recipe. Okay, but before we crack on, I'm going to show you my list of ingredients very quickly. I've got in here, I've got 70 grams of sugar. I've got 1 tablespoon of yeast. I've got 1 tablespoon of salt. I've got 28 grams of oil. I've got 384 grams of flour, all-purpose flour. This amounts to 3 cups, okay, 384 grams. I've got 1 cup of warm water, or you can call it 237 grams of warm water, okay, and I've got my baking pan. Right, so I'm going to take my warm water, pour it in the pot here. I'll take my sugar and yeast. So I'm going to set that aside for about 5 minutes. Just to let you know, I set this aside for about 20 minutes actually. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to put my salt, the oil. We start mixing. I've got my mixture in here. You put a bit of flour on the worktop and then you start kneading. Got my bowl here. I've just put a bit of oil. Okay, it's important for you to put oil so that this doesn't stick to the bowl. So we scoop this up now. It's a bit sticky to the worktop, so it's been on there for a moment. And then we'll sit this in here. Okay, and then I'll cover this up with a nice kitchen cloth, and then we set aside for like an hour. Right. Here we go. We'll take it out. Right, so I'm going to roll this out with my rolling pin. We'll roll. That bit. I've got my pan here. I already rubbed out a bit of vegetable oil, so I'll lift this up carefully and place it in my pan. Then we'll set this aside for another 20 minutes with the kitchen towel on top of it. Once we do this for another 20 minutes, then we'll put it in the oven. Right, I've got it in the oven now for on 250 degrees Celsius preheated. So that will be in there for 30 to 35 minutes. All right, here you go guys. Here's my lovely bread, nicely done and sliced. I'm gonna enjoy this with a nice spread of marmalade with a bit of butter. Easy peasy, very easy to make. Follow my recipe and get your bread done. If you haven't smashed the subscribe button, smash the like button. Okay, show your love, man. It's your boy Franklin. Check out my playlist, check out my brand new segment, Say It Like It Is. Okay, it's a beautiful segment. You will enjoy the content, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.